Hey neighbors, this is Joshua Sherman.
Kelly Christenson.
And welcome to
Cooking with KC Realty Group. By now, you should have received your April recipe card.
This month, we're going to be teaching you how to make a lemon pudding cake. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video because we're going to be doing an honest taste test on that recipe. Are you ready?
I am.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's go.
For this recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of skim milk, a half a cup of buttermilk, 3 egg yolks lightly beaten, 2 teaspoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 3 large egg whites. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add our skim milk and buttermilk. So we're going to do a half a cup buttermilk. Then we're going to add in a half a cup of skim milk. And then we're going to separate 3 eggs and we're going to use these egg yolks. So to separate it, you're just going to open up your egg and just do a little trading bath with them until all the whites fall out because they're a little viscousy and your yolk is separate. Alrighty, we'll set this egg whites aside for later. Now that we have our egg yolks, we're going to add it into our 2 milks here, just like this. Plop, plop. And now we're going to beat everything together. Break it up. It should turn this like beautiful sunflower yellow, just incorporating all those fats together. Next up, we have some canola oil, and we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of that. Here's the 1, there's the 2. We're going to take our lemon to get it juiced well. You want to roll it a little bit, and it's going to get those juices flowing. But before we juice it, we're going to take some of that. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of lemon zest in here. You're going to take it. So we're going to squeeze out about a 1/3 cup. We're going to add that in here to our mixture. And you can't make pudding or cake without sugar. So we're going to add about a cup of sugar into this mixture. Just like that. I'm going to get that nice little whisk. Incorporating all those ingredients together. This smells heavenly. Now I'm mixing it until I can feel no more sugar on the bottom, to make sure it's all incorporated. Alrighty, now to thicken our pudding and our cake, we need to have some thickening agents. We're going to do that by adding a 1/4 cup of flour and then cornstarch. We're going to be adding a whole teaspoon of cornstarch to this. Perfect. Now we're just going to incorporate that until they're all smooth. Make sure to get the sides. Alrighty. So, do you remember those egg whites that we set aside? We are going to take those 3 egg whites, put them in another bowl, and we're going to add just a little bit of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And it's going to whip these until they are stiff peaks. It just takes time. So close. Alrighty, so we're looking for around soft peaks, which are going to look just like this when we're ready to incorporate it. Now, we're going to take these beaten egg whites and we're going to fold it in very slowly. When you're folding something in, all you need to do is just fold it in. It's over here. You're just going to incorporate it. Now you don't want to stir this or mix it because it's going to give that airy and fluffy texture in the cake that we're looking for. Just slowly starting to incorporate it, making sure that the bottom portions are incorporated in the top. You see how it almost doubled in size? And how it is airy and fluffy. That's exactly what we're looking for. You see how it's starting to marble? We want to make it to where it's all one color, and that's how you know it is incorporated. Before starting all the ingredients, we're going to preheat our oven for 350 degrees. Everything is mixed, so now all we're going to do is take a, we're having a bump pan. You can use souffle ramekins or souffle cups. You can use those if you need to, but we're using a bump pan because we don't have those at the moment. So we're just going to lightly coat it, and then you're going to dust it with sugar. We have actually this little tea thing. If you don't have a sieve, we have a little tea thing. So we're just going to grab some sugar and lightly dust it. Now we're just going to dump and pour this into each one of these little holes here. Now you get some water in another pan. So make sure if you're doing like a bun cake or something like that, like these little buntinis, make sure you have a pan that is going to be able to be sat in, because we're going to bake them in a water bath. We're just going to pour regular old tap water right here. And this technique, I believe, is a French technique and used in like cheesecakes a lot. You want to make sure at least half of your pan, like this, you want half of it to be covered in water. And that should be just right, just like that. Now we're going to place it in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Careful. We'll see you back in 30 minutes. Great. Now we're going to chill this for a little bit of time. We're just going to put it into the freezer, probably for about 5-10 minutes or so, just so it sets. All right, now that they are cooled, we're going to place over, you could do this with a cookie sheet or a baking sheet. I'm just going to use this for now. Hopefully it will come out. A couple of them did.
They look good.
So that's what they're supposed to look like. I think a couple of them got stuck, but look how cute they are.
Hey.
Welcome back, neighbors. We are ready to test our lemon pudding cake. I will say, because we made we put them in the little buntini cakes, they're adorable.
They're so cute.
They're super adorable.
Oh my God.
And it's interesting because there's like a jelly kind of on top, and then there's a cake on bottom. So let's get to it. You ready?
Yes.
Cheers. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
What?
That's really good.
It's so light and fluffy.
This is dangerous.
That's very dangerous.
This is real dangerous because you could just blah, 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 eat.
Oh, you know what? I feel like it needs a graham cracker crust. Wouldn't that be good?
You know, because you turn it upside down. If you powdered it with sugar first and then like a ground cracker crumble, and then poured it on top.
It might be easier.
Might be easier. It's really good.
It's very good.
It's like a custard, it's just a lemon custard.
It is, but it's lighter even than a custard, isn't it? But it is.
And that cake is spongy. It's not dry at all. Yeah, this is great.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
It was really good.
It's really good. This is perfect for, I don't want to say summer necessarily.
Well, I kind of feel like
do you think it would melt? I don't know if it would melt or not. Maybe if it were
I mean, it probably would if it were outside.
Yeah.
I mean, if you were holding it outside, but I feel like if it's chilled long enough, I feel like it would still be okay. But I feel like it would be great for summer because it's got that citrusy, and to me, I always think of, citrus in the summer, oranges and lemons and limes and
Yeah, this is great. Scale from 1 to 10, what do you think this would be?
Ooh, I'm gonna give it a 9 because I do feel like the graham cracker crust would
elevate it.
Would elevate it, or something graham cracker, like a crumble on something.
I agree. I was gonna say 9. This is great.
Yeah,
I really like it. I think that I'm so surprised how spongy that cake is. That's really cool.
It melts in your mouth.
It does. It just like dissolves.
So good.
I'm curious. I want to know the science behind it because there's like this custard pudding up top.
Yeah.
And then the bottom, or the bottom, which was the top,
Right.
when it was baking is the cake. So somehow when we mix it, it just separated.
But that was the egg whites, right? The spongy cake is the egg whites.
Yeah.
So it's kind of almost like a meringue.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
it doesn't taste like a meringue.
It does not taste like a meringue. Like, I'm not huge on the meringue itself. I like a lemon meringue pie, but I will only eat the lemon part of it like that. But maybe that's it. It is kind of meringue-y.
Yeah. That's a good picture. Yeah, this is fantastic.
It's really good.
Definitely try this one.
Yes, it just melts in your mouth.
It does.
The whole thing.
Best one by the year by far.
It's interesting because I'm not a huge pudding texture kind of thing.
Yeah.
And this is lighter even than that. So I like this better.
Yeah, it's not quite a pudding, but it's not quite a custard.
It's exactly
somewhere in between.
It is.
No, this is great.
Really good. You should definitely try this one.
9.5. Why not? Elevating it.
I'm gonna go get some graham crackers and just spread it on there. Yeah.
Then it would be a 10.
Then it would be a 10 for sure.
Well, definitely when you make this one, because if you don't, you're missing out. This is
for sure
fantastic and super easy to make.
Very easy.
Super easy to make. So if you have a summer party coming up or a party get together, absolutely try this out.
Good for the luau.
Maybe we'll make some of these for the luau.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, neighbors. Well, let us know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe, and we will be eating the rest of this. And then we'll see you in the next one.
Yes.
Bye, neighbors.